Everyone, today I will start my lecture number 6, chapter 1 numbers part 4 for O level maths. In this video we will talk about concept of friendly numbers. Concept of friendly numbers. So what are friendly numbers? Those numbers which are easy to multiply and divide are called friendly numbers. For example, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here if you note that the first digit of a friendly number is 1 and the rest are zeros. So these numbers are called friendly numbers. It is easy to multiply or divide by a friendly number. Let's do an example. First we do multiplication of friendly numbers. Five point 3 multiplied by 10. In case of multiplication of friendly numbers, the decimal always moves towards the right side. Here we should include a note. Note is, in case of multiplication, in case of friendly numbers, the decimal always moves towards the right side. Now the question arises that how many steps the decimal will move towards the right side. The steps will be equal to the number of zeros present in the friendly number. For example, here the number of zeros present in this friendly number is 1. Only one zero is present in this friendly number. So the decimal will move one step forward. The decimal will come towards this side and the answer will be 53. Let's do another example. For example, we have a number 6.93 and we have to multiply it by 10. We know in case of multiplication the decimal moves towards the right side, but how many steps the decimal will move, it will be decided by the number of zeros present in this friendly number. So here one zero is present. In this friendly number only one zero is present, so the decimal will move one step towards the right side. So the answer will be 69.3. So we can write that the number that the decimal that no we can write move the steps equal to the number of zeros present in the friendly number. Number of zeros present in the friendly number. So in case of multiplication of friendly numbers, the decimal always moves towards the right side. decimal will move the steps equal to the number of zeros present in the friendly number. Let's do another example. For example, we have a number like consider another example. We have a number 7.15 multiplied by 1000. Here the number of zeros present in this friendly number are 3. 3 zeros are present. So the decimal will move 3 steps forward towards the right side. But here we only have 2 numbers after the decimal, 1 and 5. We have to include one more number, and that number will be 0. Always remember that add another number which is 0. For example, 7.15 0 multiplied by 1000. Now move this decimal towards the right side. One step, second step and third step. The decimal will come towards the end. So the answer will be 7150. At the end we don't have to show the decimal. It's not necessary. So the answer will be, here we have to add another 0, 1, 2 and 3. The answer will be 7150. We do another example. For example, we have a number 637.065 multiplied by 100,000. So here we have 5 zeros in this friendly number. We have 5 zeros in this friendly number. So the decimal will move 5 steps forward. So we can write this number like 637.06500, and the decimal is over here. We have 5 numbers now. Now we will move this decimal 5 steps forward. So one step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. The answer will be 637.06500. Now I have an quiz for you. I have a question for you. 0.0065 multiplied by let's say 1000. Pause the video and solve this question. So here in this friendly number we have 3 zeros. It's clear that we will move 3 steps, and as it is multiplication, so we will move 3 steps forward towards the right side. So let's move. As we have, after the decimal we have 4 numbers, so we have sufficient amount of numbers, so we can move 3 steps. One step, second step, 1, 2 and it's our third step. So the decimal will come over here. The answer will be 6.5. We start the second part, which is the division of friendly numbers. So let's understand it by an example. 4 divided by 10. Here in this friendly number only 1 zero is present. So the decimal will move 1 step towards the left side. In case of division of friendly numbers, the decimal always moves towards the left side. So the decimal will move towards the left side. Decimal will move the steps equal to the number of zeros present in the friendly number. So here 1 zero is present in the friendly number, so the decimal will move 1 step backwards towards the left side. Here the decimal is present over here after the number, so it will move 1 step towards the left side. So the decimal will come over here. Our answer will be 0.4. And we can write 0 behind the point. Let's consider another example. For example, we have a number like 27 divided by 100. So in this friendly numbers we have 2 zeros. So the decimal will move 2 steps towards the left side. So it will move 2 steps towards the left side. One step and second step. So our answer will be 0.27. and we can write 0 over here. We have a number like 6.7 divided by 10. So in this friendly number only one 0 is present. So the decimal will move one step towards the left side as it is division. So one step towards the left side. So the decimal will come over here. Our answer will be 0.67 and we can add 0 over here. So 0.67. Let's consider some. We have a number 7658.12 divided by 1000. So in this friendly number 3 zeros are present. So the number of the steps that the decimal will move towards the left side will be 3. As it is division, so we will move 3 steps towards the left side. So one step, second step and third step. So our decimal will come over here. Our answer will be 7.65812. Now we solve this question by another method. For example, we know that the decimal in this number is present at the end and it goes 2 steps backwards, because in this friendly number there are 2 number of zeros present. So this decimal will move 2 steps backwards. But we do it by another method. This 0 wants to go upwards, but it will be blocked by 7. This 0 wants to go upwards, but it will be blocked by 4. But there is no one to block the 1. And always remember one thing, write a note. In this case, 1 will be replaced by dot. 1 will be replaced by dot. So here this 1 will be replaced by a dot. Our answer will be 0.47. Consider another example. We have a number 54 divided by 1000. This 0 wants to go upwards, but it will be blocked by 4. This 0 wants to go upwards, but there is 5 to block this 0, and both are present in tens place. This 5 is present in tens place, this 0 is present in tens place, but there is no number to block this 0. So this 0 will go upwards, and 1 will be in this case 1 will be replaced by dot. We will replace 1 by a dot. Our answer will be 0.054. Now we do it with our previous method, 54 divided by 1000. In this friendly number 3 zeros are present. A decimal will move 3 steps towards the left side, but we only have 2 numbers, so we can add zeros and left side. So it will move 3 steps towards the left side. So one step, second step and third step. Our answer will be 0.054, and the answer is same by both methods. So both methods are correct. We will understand how to convert a decimal form into friendly fraction. For example, we have a number 0.005. We have to write it in friendly fraction. We have to include friendly numbers in it. How to convert this number into friendly fraction? First of all, we will replace this dot by 1. We will replace this dot by 1, and the number of zeros will be decided according to the numbers present after the decimal. For example, after this decimal 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers are present. So in this friendly number we will write 3 zeros. So the number of zeros will be decided according to the numbers present after the decimal. Here write a note. In such cases we will replace dot with 1. So here we replace dot with 1, and the number of zeros in friendly number will be according to the numbers present after the decimal. Will be according to the numbers present Let's consider another example. We have a number like 6.230. We have to convert this decimal form into friendly fraction. First of all, we will replace this dot by a 1. We will replace this dot by 1. And the number of zeros in friendly number in this number will be according to the numbers present after the decimal. For there are 3 digits 1, 2, 3. In this number we have 3 digits after the decimal, so we will have 3 zeros in this friendly number. So our answer will be 6230 divided by 1000. We have a number 0.00305. We have to convert this decimal form into friendly fraction. So we will apply the basic rule. First of all, we will replace this dot by 1. We will replace this dot by 1, and the number of zeros in these friendly numbers and the number of zeros which we will write after this 1 will be decided by the numbers present after the decimals. For example, here after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are present, so we will write 5 zeros after this 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer will be 305 divided by 100,000. On the left side, zeros have no value. That's why I removed these zeros. Hope you would like this video. If you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe. Thank you.